I'm 32 weeks pregnant, almost 33. I cannot go past 39, so I have just about 6 weeks to go. And I am going to pack my hospital bag. I'm starting to get contractions and so much pressure, and it's just, I feel like it's time. I want to be ready when the baby is ready. So it's really important to pack your hospital bag ahead of time so that when you're feeling like you're about to go into labor, you grab your hospital bag and you run out the door to the hospital. So let's start with the hospital bag. All right. So I wanted to be really cute, so I bought this really pretty blue and pink bag that says mommy bag. What I love about this bag is that it's humongous. There's so much room in it. So I think I will be able to pack everything and it will all be comfortable. It comes with 2 bags as well as a, like an extension that you can put, I'm guessing, I'm not sure yet. I have to look through it. But it comes with 2 bags. It comes with mommy's treasures and it comes with baby's necessities. So I will go over all the stuff that I'm going to put in and I will put it in their respective bags. I'm just so excited. All right. So this is not going to go in my hospital bag, but I am bringing this to the hospital in case anybody else wanted to. It is a peanut ball. I have not got it ready yet. I am going to start using it around 37 weeks or so. It's a big ball, like a yoga ball. You blow it up. It comes with the pump, this one. Yeah, it comes with the pump. I got it in pink, but it comes in other colors. Comes with the pump. You can blow it up, and then it just looks like a big yoga ball, but in the shape of a peanut. And what you do is you put it in between your legs, and that's supposed to help you dilate and help you prepare for labor. I did that with my second son, and he came out in like 5 minutes. So I highly recommend using this ball. So that will go to the hospital with me. Again, I'm going to have it blown up. My boyfriend will probably carry it on the side. And it will not go in the hospital bag. But I wanted to show you guys something that I'm going to bring to the hospital as well. So we'll start off with the socks. I just got these yesterday. I'm so excited because they're so pretty. I believe, yeah, it comes with 7 pairs. So it comes with a white pair. And they're just so pretty and soft. Comes with a blue pair. Actually, a few blue pairs. So we got like a light blue. It's a little bright. A light blue and a dark blue. And then like a grayish blue. And it comes with pink and purple. And they're really soft, fluffy, and they're just so pretty. I can't wait to wear them. And then it also comes with a green pair. So 7 pairs, really nice. Those will probably just go in the bag. I'm not going to put that in mommy's necessities because they're kind of big. So, all right, we got the hair care. I don't want to use the hospital shampoo and conditioner, so I bought my own. Shampoo and conditioner comes with both. Yeah, I really like this shampoo. It's really nice. It smells nice, and that will be what I use to clean my hair when I'm in the hospital. This is the maternity nursing outfit. One of the pajamas that I'm gonna buy, or I bought. It's coming, I think tomorrow. It's Friday, right? Yeah. It's coming tomorrow. What I really like about these pajamas is that you can open it up for easy access for the baby to eat. And it's for both pregnancy and it's for postpartum. So I can use it tomorrow when I get it. And then I could wear it tomorrow all the way up until I have her. And then I could bring it to the hospital and use it to help easy access feeding. I do plan on buying a few more pairs of pajamas for the hospital bag, at least 3 pairs, and a robe. So that will also be in my hospital bag. So I'm going to bring all the toiletries. I got my organic toothpaste. I really like buying this 4-pack from Amazon. I used to buy it one of them at Whole Foods, but now I discovered that Amazon sells them for 4. I don't have to leave my house. Comes right away. So I love this toothpaste. It tastes really good. It doesn't have many bad ingredients, and it makes me feel like healthy. So I will bring my toothpaste. So I'm going to bring shampoo, toothpaste. I'm going to bring toothbrushes, one for me, one for my hubby. Toothpaste, toothbrushes. I'm going to bring soap. I don't have that with me. I like a bar of soap. I don't want to use any of the hospital stuff, so I'm just going to provide everything for myself. So the toothpaste actually can go in my mommy necessities. So in here we go. And yeah, the next thing, very important, is the phone charger. I bought this 3-pack. It's actually 73% off right now for 3 of them. I bought like at least 2 of them, so we have 6, and then I bought a bunch of extra just of the cords, like 6 of those too, because we have almost 7 people in this house and everybody wants an iPhone charger. So I really recommend buying these. They're awesome. They're long, so you know, from the hospital wall to where you're actually laying is pretty far away. So I like that these are long and they're 73% off. I might actually buy them again. All right, the other thing I'm going to pack is my prenatal pills. You're supposed to take them before you have a baby and after, especially if you're breastfeeding. So I'm going to pack these. And I'm actually going to pack them in my vitamin pill organizer. I'm going to put all the vitamins and all my medication in here for the weekend or whenever, you know, the 3 days that I'm at the hospital, so that I don't have to pack all of my medicines and all of my vitamins. I'm just going to put them all together here, bring this to the hospital, and make it very easy for myself. So this and this will go in mommy's necessities. All right, what's next? Ooh, my blow dryer brush, just in case I want to blow dry my hair after a shower since the hospital is cold. It's very easy to use. You just brush your hair and it also dries it at the same time. I mean, you can't get any better than that. So that will just go in the hospital bag. So that with the shampoo, all of my socks so far. All right, next. Ooh, you guys are gonna love these. I bought them in pink. I'm having a girl. Let me lower this light a little bit. All right, so I just got these and they're so cozy and furry. I wish that you can feel them yourself. They are 53% off, so right now is like the best time to buy it. It's 71% claim, so it must be a lightning deal. So if I were you, I would rush to go buy these right now. They're so cozy, they're soft, furry, and the inside is furry too. I mean, oh my God, you can't get any better than that. So I'm really excited. I like to wear slippers when I'm in the hospital, so those will go in here. The next is a wet brush. I don't know where that one is exactly. I think it's in my car, but I have like 100 of them. I highly recommend having a wet brush in your house because it brushes your hair like seamlessly. It doesn't hurt. If you have any knots, it really just breezes right through them. So I'm gonna pack my brush. Actually, that's gonna go in mommy's necessities. What else? My moisturizer. Gotta have my moisturizer every night. Even with the baby, you gotta have your skincare routine. So that will go in mommy's necessities. I wish they had a daddy necessities too, but I guess daddy will just have his own bag. My deodorant, of course. I have to have deodorant. Mommy necessities. All right, and now I'm getting towards the baby stuff. All right, so this is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I wanted to take a picture with her when she arrives so that I can post it on, you know, social media. But I wanted to have her to have a little cute sign. So I bought the She's Here sign. I haven't even opened the box. It's so cute. She's here. So I'm going to have her, you know, I'm going to put this like on her chest or her belly and take a pretty picture with her. So I'm going to put that under baby necessities. All right, what else? So it's important to pack some hospital clothing for the baby. I have a few footy pajamas. We got one, This one comes with a pack of 3 baby girl 3-pack footy pajamas. What I love about the footy pajamas are it's just nice because it keeps them cozy and warm in one. I love the zippered ones. You just zip them open, you change the baby, and you zip it back. You don't want to mess with the ones that have buttons, or else you're going to be doing all kinds of buttons in the middle of the night, and I promise you're not going to want to do that. All right, so her going home outfit, I wanted to go with something neutral. This also, I'm going to have her wear this little outfit with the headband. It comes with the headband. Where's the headband? Oh, comes with a little headband. And then I'll put the she's here sign. So she'll have the outfit like this with the she's here sign. I'm so excited. So all these are going in baby's necessities. And I think we're done. Oh, I didn't put this on here, but she's going to have these really cute little hats too. Which I also got on Amazon. I wish I had added it, but it is in my storefront under recent buys. Alright, so now we're gonna get like to the postpartum stuff. I learned my lesson the first time I had a baby. I took a shower at the hospital and the towels were like this big and I was freezing, so I said next time I have a baby I am bringing my own towels. So I don't have these on me. I'm gonna buy them before we go to the hospital, probably soon. Maybe this week I'll buy them. I'm gonna buy one for my hubby and one for me. I really like this 2-pack. They're beach towels, but I want them to be big. I want to be warm in the hospital. It's so cold there. So I'm gonna buy this 2-pack and that will go on the hospital bag as well. My postpartum girdle is somewhere in the house. If you watch any of my previous lives, you'll see it there. I cannot seem to find it. I already added it before I could find it. So this, I wear this as soon as my babies come out. I put that on and it helps with, at least for me, it has helped to kind of bring everything back to normal. I wore it basically all day, every day for about 2 weeks, and it makes a big difference in your postpartum bod. So I highly recommend the BelleFit postpartum girdle. Another thing I bought is a Perry bottle. Can you see? Yeah. This is really nice for postpartum care. It just helps to soothe and make everything feel better. So it comes like this. You open this, you fill it with water, and you squeeze water out. And it's supposed to be good for relief, pain relief. So that I'm gonna put in Mommy's necessities. Mommy's necessities. And then, oh, I was gonna go over the nipple butter, but we'll go over that after. So like more towards mommies who are breastfeeding. I plan to, so I have my breastfeeding pillow that I will bring to the hospital. It's not going to fit in the hospital bag, but it will be, you know, extra stuff that we're bringing for sure. Then some cream. And this comes in the cutest little box. Is going to be to have, to help with mommy's pain relief. So it comes in this little jar. That will go under mommy's necessities, and that will help for any relief or pain that I feel in certain areas. Then my pump. I don't really plan to pump, but I remember when I had my second son, I was really, I was in a lot of pain after I had him. I felt a lot of pressure, so I used the pump just for a few minutes to relieve. I love the Spectra. It's really great pump. You plug it in. It comes with 2, what's it called? Like the tubing, and it comes with this bag and a Spectra bottle. It's a really nice pump, and you can bring it anywhere. It doesn't have to be plugged in. I think this one's the one that can be used anywhere without being plugged in, which is a really good plus. So, highly recommend the Spectra. And then Aquaphor. I think I threw it over here. This I plan to use for any pain relief. I have cracked lips, Lips, I mean, for the baby's diaper rash. This is just really good stuff for all kinds of use. So, gotta bring the Aquaphor everywhere I go. And that's it. That's all the stuff I'm packing in my hospital bag. There might be a few more other things. But the most important to me is like the breastfeeding stuff, pajamas, honestly, the whole thing. Everything that I'm packing is top tier. You need it all. And I highly recommend all these items from Amazon. So thank you so much for watching my live. And if you have any questions, feel free to, well, I guess you can't contact me on Amazon. Anyway, enjoy shopping and I'll see you guys later.